Hello guys, before we start unboxing and promoting Ulefone's new Power Armor 18 model, I have to announce the great news, which is that Ulefone will launch its winter sale from January 19th to 13th. The company is giving loyal users a chance to get up to 60% discount buying their phones, and the discounted stocks include even the latest models. So, as we can see, there is plenty to choose from. Don't waste your time, grab one of the Ulefone smartphones from January 19th. This is a chance to not be missed. Even these newest models that we present today, the Power Armor 18, is available at reduced price of only $349.99. The official sales links are below this video. Be sure to click on them, and we will continue with unboxing and promoting of Ulefone's new Power Armor 18 model. So let's take a look.